Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you are running an e-commerce business on Shopify, it's important to ensure that your checkout process is working correctly. In this video, we will show you how to test if checkout is working on your Shopify store step by step. We will cover everything from setting up a test order to verifying that payment processing is functioning as it should. We will also provide some tips and best practices to help you optimize your checkout process for a better customer experience. So, let's get started and make sure your Shopify store's checkout is working perfectly. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So, the first thing that I will need you to do is simply go ahead and launch your browser. Right after that, go ahead and go to your uh, URL section and search for the Shopify store or Shopify website. Here we go. Now, all you need to do is simply click on Start Free Trial from here, and then they will take you here. So, for you, you can just answer these questions real quick. I'm just starting. Next, where would you like to sell? Online store. Next, just some random stuff. Next, and you would have to name your store. So, Lodi store. Let's name it Lowe's or something like that. Next, and here the region, and finally, you will have to sign in. It is pretty simple. As you can see, you can continue with email, Apple, Facebook, and Gmail. So for me, I'm going to continue with my Gmail account and log in through it. Now I have done it, and they are going to build my store. Now it can take a little bit long time to do that. It can take like 2 minutes to 3 minutes, but it will be very fast. So just be wait for it until it is finished. For me, it has done it in like not even 1 minute because I have a good internet and etc. Now, first, before we actually get to sell any product and to check if our website is legally okay with the checkout process, we need to actually add some products. Well, how to do so? Simply, as you can see here in this page, you'll find add product once you open this dashboard. Make sure to click on it and it will take us to this page. Now, give it a title. So let's name it, for example, iPhone X. Here, let me just Google for an iPhone X and let me get a description for our website. So let me just click over here and get the description. I think this website is bad, so let me check with this one. Alright, this one looks pretty much better, but it doesn't have. So anyway, let's just copy this and paste it over here. This is like an example. Let me just remove this and now add some picture into your product. So let's add files. Let's search in the downloads and let's see from here. Let's check if we can find it. So here it is. Now this is the product. Now I'm going to add the price over here. For me it is in dirhams. It is the Moroccan currency. You can use whatever currency from the settings, so you can edit it later on. Now let me just put, for example, 10k Moroccan dirhams, which is about 1k dollars. And now I will just keep it like that. Products category, everything's good, and finally click on save. As you can see, the product has been like saved and created. Now find products to sell, products to sourcing. So let's do this as well. Here you can stock your store with products they will love. So you can use from here some products if you don't have any products. Now for me, I have it already. So I'm going now to find manager this product. Here I'm going to customize my online store. So customize the theme. Here we go. And now I'm going to pick a theme. So there is popular themes in here, so they are totally free. As you can see, you can use whatever you'd like from these. You can use, for example, this one. You just have to click on add. So let's click on add, and now just wait a little bit and it will be published. So just wait. Let's download the theme, and as you can see, this is the old theme. This is how your website is looking like at the moment, and this is the new theme that I'm downloading right now. So here it is. It has been done. Everything is good. We can click here to publish it. As you can see, it has been changed. So if I click here to customize it, you will find the shop and everything is good. So for example, this is the product as you can see here. So people can actually see it and basically they can click here and buy it now. Well, after that, what you'll have to do is let me just click over here to see the website. So let me just view the website by my own. And now if I clicked over here and clicked on buy it now, I won't be able to do so. So to do that, I will need first to actually go back to the Shopify dashboard. How to do so? It is simply by just click here to go back. And from here, go to your settings. So click on settings and add the payments and of course add a payment method. Here, for example, they will give you PayPal. So just activate the PayPal by clicking here, then activate PayPal Express checkout. Then they will take you to your PayPal account. Make sure to log in and connect them both together. That's all it takes. Then click here to checkout. Here, customer contact method, you will need phone number or email or just an email. You can choose. Here to send SMS update, you need to install SMS app. For us, we just keep like an email. It's like that simple. Require the customer to log in to their account before checkout. This is important. And this required login may discourage some customers from checking out and reduce your store's total orders. To manage the current login experience, go to customers account settings. So it depends on you. So for me, I'm going to keep it on. And here the customer's information. So what are you going to ask the actual customer for? Here, of course, we need full name. We'll request first name and last name. Company name, don't include, optional. Here, address line, it is required. And here we'll need shipping address, phone number, required as well. Finally, here we'll add something like after an order has been paid, here automatically for the ordered line items. Here, when you finish marketing option, send them like an email. And finally here, some additional scripts if you'd like to add it. And here it is the checkout language, how it's gonna look like. So it's gonna be in English. You can change the language from here. After you finish with that, click on save. And now the checkout will be good for you to go. So once the actual customer now comes to your website and tries to like to order something from it, it will be able to actually buy from you now. For me, it didn't connect my account or my PayPal account yet, so that's why I can't really click on this buy it now. And of course, I will need to create an account to be able to click on buy it now once more. So once you did what I told you about, this will be working for you 100%. You will have no problem. And then the orders will be appearing over here. So of course, you will have all the orders here and all the customers accounts over here as well. So yeah guys, this is pretty much it. I hope you like this video. Thanks a lot for watching and see you guys in the next video.